Hello. Um, just around 1.5 hour, I showed my analysis um, that euro. This is GAN-SQ analysis on daily chart. Euro rise from this line until it touches this line, GAN mirror 1/3. I exited long positions here at this line and entered short positions. So we can look closer. I will adjust to get more exact results. So indicator is now adjusted. So we see that price dropped from this line and touches this line, almost touches my my target is almost reached, so I can probably exit position now. I will look. Trend is not finished. I think price will make a little bit lower, so we'll think that my target will be touched. Thank you for attention. Bye for now. Happy trading.